What comes to your mind when you hear the term crypto? For some, it's a mysterious world of numbers and algorithms, while others envision a revolutionary form of money. But in truth, crypto encompasses both these aspects and more. Today, we're going to peel back the layers of this intriguing concept, exploring two of its most significant components, cryptography and cryptocurrency. First, let's delve into cryptography. This is the art of writing or solving codes, a practice deeply ingrained in the fabric of secure communication. Whether it's a secret wartime message, a secure banking transaction, or a confidential email, cryptography is there, working behind the scenes. It's all about creating and analyzing protocols that prevent third parties or the public from reading private messages. It's a field that intersects with computer science, information security and communication, forming the backbone of our digital world. Now, let's shift gears and dive into the realm of cryptocurrency. This is where the cryptographic rubber meets the digital road. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. But what sets them apart is their decentralized nature, running on networks based on a technology called blockchain. Imagine a ledger, but instead of being kept in a dusty office drawer, it's distributed across a network of computers. Each transaction gets added to a block, and these blocks are strung together into a chain, hence blockchain. It's an ingenious system that champions transparency and security. And now, you might be wondering, who's in charge here? Who's the central authority? The answer is simple: no one, or rather everyone. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by a government or a financial institution. They operate on a decentralized network of computers or nodes, each playing a part in validating and recording transactions. Perhaps the most famous example of a cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, the original, the pioneer, created by the enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. But it's far from alone. There's also Ethereum, a platform that not only provides its native cryptocurrency, Ether, but also enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications. And how do these digital coins come into existence? Through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. As a reward, they receive new cryptocurrency coins. It's a bit like panning for digital gold. Cryptocurrencies can serve various purposes. They can facilitate peer-to-peer transactions, underpin smart contracts, and even act as a store of value. But they're not without controversy. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, sparking both enthusiasm and debate in equal measure. Its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems is both its greatest promise and its most contentious point. In summary, crypto is a term that encapsulates the intersection of cryptography and digital currency. It represents a world where secure communication protocols meet decentralized financial systems, creating a landscape ripe for technological innovation. Whether you're a cryptography enthusiast or a cryptocurrency investor, the world of crypto holds something for everyone. It's a world that's continually evolving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realms of security, communication, and finance.